saw you on the street in passing, with no opportunity to act on the attraction. So I just waited, hoping there would be a next time. And when the day comes, be prepared with my best lines. But who would have thought a year would have gone by before I got a chance to just wave and say hi? It's been a while, but you still look good to me, and I can tell you appreciate a good MC. And I'm all that plus some change. You got a man, and I know you won't rush to change. Blame me for trying to spark a distraction, in nature for the spark of attraction. I'm asking if you feeling this too, cause I'm down to go all the way. But how willing are you? Are you? So then come by and chill. Come chill with me. Sure. I make sure everything is just right. To do whatever comes naturally. I saw you eyeing me from across the room, but me, your energy hit the soul like Zoom. Your thoughts with me and you ain't feeling the goon. You thinking the ways that you can introduce soon. I gather my approach while been debonair. Calm and collect, right amount to stare. Casually glance when the time is right. My eyes communicate that it's on tonight. I was hoping you and me could take that one-on-one drive. At dawn's top down and we feeling alive. My heart is pure, there's no shuck and jive. I wanna head to environments when we can thrive. I see flames in your eyes that coincide with my thinking. Solid gaze back, neither one of us blinking. You can't teach passion or chemistry.